How to find Knotroot in Lego Fortnite. Knotroot Basics. Knotroot is a crucial resource in Lego Fortnite for leveling up villages and crafting better weapons tools. Finding Knotroot is not immediately obvious in the game. Locating Knotroot. Knotroot grows in caves, so explore until you find a cave on the map. Inside caves, look for gnarled roots growing through walls and ceilings. These are the Knotroots. Gathering Knotroot. Use an uncommon forest axe or better to gather or damage Knotroot. Crafting the uncommon forest axe requires 3 bones, from skeletons, and 3 wooden rods, from a lumber mill. Uses of Knotroot. Knotroot is a gateway resource unlocking a new tier of items. Craft uncommon pickaxes for mining marble or uncommon longswords for combat. Knotroot wood is essential for upgrading villages to level 4. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our latest videos.